Hey everybody, this is Wakefield again from True Online Wealth. And what I want to talk to y'all today about is a very new and hot mail order program that people just absolutely love this thing. It's called the Premier Income System. As you can see right there, this will be the program for 2017 and 2018 beyond Get Position Now. Now, with this program here, you're going to get paid 4 levels deep. It's 5 levels, but the monitor is always in position 5. So you're going to get paid 4 levels deep. You're going to get paid $25 money order or cashier's check or cash to each person you get to sign up. This thing converts like you wouldn't believe. And I'm telling you what, if you tired of your other stuff not converting it well, you need to join the Premier Income System. Like I say, you're gonna make $25 by money order, cashier's check, or cash. And you're gonna get paid 4 levels deep. It's only gonna cost you $50 to join. I mean, it would be actually $125, but I got 3 free spaces on my flyer, so you just gonna pay me $25 and a monitor $25. You can see how beautiful the flyer looks. I mean, not only you only gonna come in for just $50, you're gonna get a marketing kit, and it's gonna show you how to market. And this just can be a new, addition to what you already got going on. Or if you don't have anything going on, I would definitely get started with the Premier Income System. Like it says, this will be the program for 2017 and 2018. And when you bring people in, just get them to do what you should do. Just mail consistent every week and have your name on thousands of flyers. So ain't gonna cost you number $50 to join. It would normally cost $125, but I got 3 free spaces on my flyer. So I'm gonna put the link below to my new blog, and you just click on the mail orders tab to get the PDF and look at my other mail order stuff. So I'm gonna put the link below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell to the right of the subscribe button. But the Premier Income System is taking mail order by storm. So go ahead and join. Remember, nothing happens if you don't take action. So like I said, subscribe, click the notification bell, and click on the link below to my new blog. Y'all have a good day.